pa ng bahay na patok sa Pag-ibig Financing? Good news! This is your chance to own an affordable home! Welcome to Sapphire Residence, located at Tanza, Cavite. 10 minutes away lang to SM Tanza at Vista Mall Tanza. At 1 ride away lang to Mall of Asia at PITX. Malapit sa schools, hospitals at public market. May UV Express din at bus papuntang Metro Manila. This is a 2-story townhouse na may 58 square meter na floor area. May provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets and baths. At ang best part, may car park na ito. Hindi ka na mamamroblema sa parking. Flood-free at fault-free ang community. May sariling gate, security at amenities tulad ng basketball court, clubhouse, at playground. Mababa ang down payment nito at stretchable pa up to 24 months. Available ito through Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya naman abot kaya mo ng magkabahay. Talaga namang sulit na sulit ang pera mo dito, 'di ba? Secure ang community, malapit sa work, schools at malls. Mas mura kaysa Metro Manila, pero ang location accessible pa rin. Perfect investment na rin na tataas ang value over time. Dahil kalapit lang nito ang soon-to-rise na Maple Grove Commercial District. Huwag mo nang balambasin ang chance na ito! Magpa-reserve na for only 5,000 at simulang abutin ang pangarap mong bahay. I am Lynn Akdal, your property specialist under Hove Team. See you on my next video!